So, in continuation to our topic, solid state, now I will discuss the classification of crystals. So, what is the basic unit of crystals? The basic unit of crystals are unit cells. And what are the parameters? What are the dependent variable for the unit cell? These are three angles and three edges. যেটা অলরেডি আমি আগে বলেছি, তার একবার সেগুলো এখানে লিখে নিচ্ছি। তাহলে একটা ইউনিট সেলের জন্য কি আমার যে অ্যাক্সিস গুলো লাগে সেগুলো কি হলো, সেই অ্যাক্সিস গুলো হলো ক্রিস্টালোগ্রাফিক অ্যাক্সিস, এবং যে অ্যাক্সিয়াল অ্যাঙ্গেল যে কোণগুলো থাকে সেগুলোকে আমাদের বলা হয় অ্যাক্সিয়াল অ্যাঙ্গেল। তাহলে এখানে আমার যে অ্যাক্সিস হলো এক্স ওয়াই জেড, তিনটে অ্যাক্সিস। এবারে এখানে যদি কোনো একটা ইউনিট সেল আমাদের ড্র করা যায়, তাহলে আমরা কি পাবো? তিনটে এজ পাবো। দেন উইল গেট থ্রি এজেস অ্যান্ড থ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেলস। These are the respective angles alpha, beta and gamma. Already I have discussed, and this is the edge length A, edge length B, edge length C. This is C, this is B. So now, if we vary these six variables, six parameters for unit cell, then we will get how many types of crystals? There are 7 types of crystals. Now, let's see what are those with some examples. I am trying to give my best to draw the crystal structures. If possible, you follow those. তাহলে আমি এই হেডটাকে নাও আই এম ডিভাইডিং দ্য টপিকস হেড ইন দ্য ফলোইং দ্য নেম স্ট্রাকচার, variables. First, cubic. The first one is cubic. So what will be the structure? And here the example. So what will be the structure? Let's see. Just a square. Now another square. Just connect. Here that is z axis, y axis and x axis. So as per the convention A, B and C, this angle alpha, this angle beta and this angle gamma. So what are the variables here? It is A equals to B equals to C, and alpha equals to beta equals to gamma equals to 90 degree. তার মানে এখানে আমাদের প্রত্যেকটা কোণ, the alpha কোণ, the alpha angle in between y axis and z axis, and the angle between z axis and x axis, and as well as the angle between x-axis and y-axis, the alpha, beta and gamma are all equal and they are equals to 90 degree. So what is the example of this type of crystal? That is crystal of NaCl, CaF2, etc. Now the second category, what is that? The second category is tetragonal. Tetragonal. What will be the shape of the tetragonal? Tetragonal have one arm is different from other two. So I am trying to draw that one. That is z axis, its y axis, similarly x axis. So now the edges are, this is A, this is B, similarly this is C, alpha, beta, gamma. So what are the variables here? That is, the condition of the variables is A equals to B not equals to C, alpha equals to beta equals to gamma equals to 90 degree. Here also all the angles are 90 degree. What will be the example of that? That is SnO2, TiO2. Then the next category is hexagonal. For hexagonal, what will be the shape? This is the hexagonal structure, but this is not the actual one. What will be the hexagonal structure actually? Because it is the combination of 3 units. এখানে আমাদের 3টে ইউনিটের কম্বিনেশন রয়েছে। স্যার 3টে ইউনিটের কম্বিনেশন থাকার জন্য আমাদের যে অরিজিনাল স্ট্রাকচারটা হবে সেটা কি রকম হবে? সেটা হবে এই রকম। এই যে ইউনিটটা আমি যেটাতে ব্লু কালার দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করছি, এই ইউনিটটা হচ্ছে আমার অ্যাকচুয়াল হেক্সাগোনাল স্ট্রাকচার। তাহলে অরিজিনালি কি স্ট্রাকচার হলো? এইটা হলো অরিজিনাল আমার হেক্সাগনের স্ট্রাকচার, হেক্সাগন ক্রিস্টাল স্ট্রাকচার। তাহলে এখানকার আমার প্যারামিটার গুলো কি কি হলো? জেড, ওয়াই, এক্স, যথাক্রম এ, বি এবং সি, এবং এখানে অ্যাঙ্গেল গুলো আলফা, বিটা, গামা। তো হোয়াট আর দ্য ভ্যারিয়েবলস হিয়ার? That is A equals to B not equals to C. এখানে A equals to B not equals to C and alpha equals to beta not equals to 90 degree but gamma equals to 120 degree. That means this angle is 120 degree. That is 120 degree. So what will be the example for this? That is ZNO, the respective example of this category, crystal categories, cadmium sulfide. So we have seen 3 categories of the crystals. Now the other categories are rhombohedral. So what will be the structure for rhombohedral? Z, that is Y, it is X. Similarly A, B and C. Where what is the condition for this structure? A equals to B equals to C. All the arms, all the edges will be same in distance, but the angles alpha equals to beta equals to gamma not equals to 90 degree, but one condition is should be less than 120 degree. So this is the restriction of angles. All the arms, all the edges are same, but the restriction in angles. Example, calcium carbonate crystals. Another, mercury sulfide, HGS. Similarly, this is representing Z axis, Y axis and X axis. A, B, C. Angle alpha, beta and gamma. So what is the restriction for this? A not equals to B not equals to C. Alpha equals to beta equals to gamma equals to 90 degree. So this is the restriction for the orthorhombic structure. What will be the example for this? Potassium nitrate crystals, barium sulfate crystals. They are the respective example of this category. So the next one is monoclinic. So for monoclinic, what will be the angles and what will be the edges restrictions? Let us have a look. For that, it should be that is Z, Y and X, three crystallographic axes. Here this is A, B and C, alpha, beta and gamma. So what is the restriction for the parameters? The alpha, A, B and C, they are not equal, and for the angles alpha and gamma, they are equals, and they are equals to 90 degree, but beta is not equals to alpha or beta or 90 degree. So that is A not equals to B not equals to C, but alpha equals to gamma equals to 90 degree not equals to beta. So this is the restriction, this is the condition for the fulfillment of the monoclinic crystalline structure. What will be the example for this? That is sodium nitrate crystals, monoclinic sulfur, and the next one and the last one for this crystalline solids, the crystal structure, that is what? That is the triclinic. What is interesting with that? All that structure what till I have drawn, they have at least some symmetries. Axis of symmetry, rotation of symmetry, rotoreflector symmetry, but the next one which I am going to draw, it has no symmetry. It is having the least symmetry elements. That is the seventh one is triclinic. So what will be the structure for triclinic? That is similarly Z, Y and X axis, A, B and C. The angles are alpha, beta and gamma. That is A not equals to B not equals to C. Alpha not equals to beta not equals to gamma not equals to 90 degree. So this is the restriction for the variable in triclinic crystalline system. What will be the example? The structure of blue vitriol, that is copper sulfate 5H2O. The structure of H3BO3 boric acid. So these are the respective example, the variables and the respective structures. So you people please try on your notebook to get expertise on drawing these structures. Now with these 7 crystalline systems, 7 crystal systems, we will introduce the unit cell conditions, that is the face centered, body centered, primitive, end centered. These kind of conditions we will apply. Then we will derive the Bravais lattice, and there we will see that how many types of Bravais lattice can be prepared, can be obtained by using combining these 7 crystal systems and the 4 unit lattice systems.